kwa mmiri ya. Okay, I want to join no. Network and share button. It twist you. Either twist you fame Evangelist Ebuka Obi all the time will not help most of you. You know, boogie. You know, go well if you have my heart this morning in church and be a koala hamakana igwa maho ibezie. You know, go igwa maho ibezie. I am broadcasting from somewhere this morning. You can guess where I am broadcasting from. Yeah? Yeah? You can guess where I am broadcasting from this morning. Go Akwa Ibelu na ma Kawa Akwa Ibelu na mash. Yeah, Kawa Akwa Ibelu na mash. Yeah, broadcasting from somewhere this morning. From my roots. Broadcasting from my root this morning. And this is the resting place of my mom. The resting place of my mom, the Ifa. Here I go. So broadcasting from my mom this morning. Anyo Dobu, I greet you. Broadcasting from my root this morning. One day can I show the way to their root. I am broadcasting from my root this morning. All the mahos of Ben Iju Kunibe Gakuzilu. I want Muzo Ben Nine and how I shall. Go. There is that joy you will have when you come into this place to relax. There is that joy you will have. When you come into this place to relax, there is that joy that comes with it. Now, onwelase okpotokpase hattle ncholoka ndikodo, and I heard that thing from Waja eziokwu bundo. You what I go? Onwere ife Evangelist Ebuka Obi na-ekwu maka encounter nya na Senator Ifeanyi Uba after Ifeanyi Uba bushalo that amuma. You what I go? Mba Wilfred Franklin mba onwere just onwere ife na change na just power steering pump here with na change go ohona no na esike kama onwe noise on na make so decide there can change here onwere anything na eme. So you see, so ha kwuru na according to Waja na Evangelist Ebuka Obi kwuru na no gabalo no omitere Ifeanyi Uba na plane na flight. Oh na share this video before I continue okwu ife. Achọ nkam one or two people join no more here. Ka m wee kọwalụ ndị mmadụ. Anwe kọwalụ ndị mmadụ one thing ha needere ịghọta. Ka ya wa na atụrụ ụga ka uche go share this video. Achọ m ka m fukwuo more people ka ha add yalụ m ebe a. Anwe ekwu ife nchọrọ ikwu. Share this video. Metụ aka na like and love button. 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 I feel much people share about this video. Now why? That is the question. Why? Much people share about this video. Why? Robbie, Raymond, Falibuze, Arinze Victor Zugo, Wilfred Franklin, Bushira Bo, Ibe Valentine, Joe Antonia Boogie, Orison, I greet you people. Now, Waja sere na Ebuka Obi tolu ndị mmadụ ụga n'okwulu na mgbe o mitere Ifeanyi Uba na airport na Ifeanyi Uba zagido call na even mgbe abaile flight na Ifeanyi Uba zagido call na flight wee ruo mgbe o lituru na-asị ka Evangelist Ebuka Obi na-atụ na haza call na flight nwee sị ka njọ waja ịtala akwụkwọ ka eze ụdọ ịtala akwụkwọ ka eze ụdọ echekwa ndị ụnụ sịrị ede ahụ na ụnụ wụ travelers na ụnụ nwere experience iwee pụta na-agwa ndị mmadụ na-ada aza call na flight onye gwara na-ada aza call na flight even international flight. Are you not aware that even international flight that you can answer WhatsApp call on international flight? In what idea? Ebata Ethiopian airline no na-eje UK or anywhere. Ebe unu also call that flight nya na-aga. Ịchọ ịkwụ ụgwọ fa connect arụghị Wi-Fi. Ịchọ ịkwụ ụgwọ fa connect arụghị Wi-Fi. The same thing with local flight anyị nwere ba ya. Yes. Ọ bụrụ na ịbata plane chọọ ịkwụ ụgwọ nwuhu plane ahụ enwe Wi-Fi ya wee kwụ ụgwọ connect ya Wi-Fi, you can do every office work, you can make WhatsApp call, you can do whatever thing you want to do from that flight. Onye gwara go. So if you go ndị big men na ndị nnukwu mmadụ ebe ha na-anọ na plane jide phone ha na ntị na-aza call. Ọ na inwe idea guru ka nkụziziere nke a ka ị mara. Yes, if I'm making call in flight from Lagos to Abuja, what an important call in a public place. He of course, hand on a business class. Imoho on him idea guru. Imoho na hand on a business class. Or hand on go do na class so no sorry nya will ebe hano. So nya wona hano because if I of course and they go be when you can decide there ka hano self na economy or ka hano anywhere. They can decide to stay anywhere because these people wouldn't go man hard humble. They can decide to stay anywhere. And I say no, they make call on a public place. But if I bachi make call on a na toilet, je make call. Oche na is that call on a na toilet, we just a call. Go we no senator represent Anambra South they make call. If I ban a call everywhere. If I ban a call, phone ye na do busy. O go bona. Phone if I ban a do busy. O go na. Even the matter self na boy nya take ye easy with phone ye. Is sometimes you should put those phones to rest. You got to go where got if I name it. Obolo na mare today. Ni geri na page waja. Do ka say if waja na ekwu eziokwu. Gwe na mmonwa wu ezugokwu no na atoga. Na even na international flight na za call eba. Ego uburie. Ego uburie. Yes. Ego uburie. Yes, of course. Onwere ba dey make important call. Yes, there are so many discussions in America, and let me tell you, majority of them na zako on a flight and I buy plane. Yes, I did the same first time traveling to UK. My hobby pay for Wi-Fi access. Thank you very much, Sarah Marie Samaka. Thank God, and I don't will idea about Potassigo. You gotta go. I draw backward the initiation. You gotta go. For most of you, they were on war machancha. Why actually now? For the name experience and for the fini now. A matter this one. You can pay for Wi-Fi access, airline, a new network, and whatever business. Now, are you telling me that now all these big men, who private jet, na hano lunime or ujobi kubana hana no na nebuku private jet will me travel. Na hano ni meba ha yourself phone. Is that what you are telling me? Now ufodo obi kubana hano lunime private jet na half na hana make call. Go one day you can make call in any flight. I have witnessed that on Ethiopian airline where someone was making call while sitting beside me. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. You are lying, Ezuga. I've met Ifanyoba in an occasion several times, and for over 2 hours he didn't make call. Mba, on occasion ebe you don't so hand it go na make call. Na enu gulu. E ma ko no ye go na ekwu. E ma onye go na ekwu. Do kitchen no local champion ka go na ekwu okwu. Onolo na mmemme ebe speaker na ekwu, MC na egwu na akụ ebe niile. Ọ na eme call maka onye nya na ekwu till loudspeaker na ntị. Saying you have met Ifanyoba in an occasion. Madu no in a flight. Nefe for 1 hour or 45 minutes. An opportunity or you may call uninterrupted. That is the only place Ifanyoba will if eba sona apart from his house. Of course, his house I had to go free because people may frequent his house every minute. Yes, That is more like the place if I nwere ike inwe efe we make call onye ye distract here on that place if on then after maybe waja na say if I nwere private jet na abo kedu if I no na commercial plane if I na aba commercial plane yes if I na aba commercial plane yes ubolone steady on a GM travel steady. As a matter of fact, for a long time, or they fake do private jet, yeah? Yes. For a long time, for some time now, or they fake private jet, yeah? Yes, I am telling you, original receipt to Ketake. For some time now, if everybody fake private jet, yeah? If everybody airpiece, we may travel steady. If everybody United Nigerian Airline, mostly airpiece, and then they meet in an airpiece canko. Your people kafagwa. They meet here na United Nigeria or Airpeace na Anambra Airport and they meet here steady at that airport. On at the same plane with them. I remember Akwa Kukotiwalake one certain time video the Fanyoba in the same plane with him. Yes, you sure can go see that video. Ke plane hand on efa. Ineneho Oche City hand on efa no Airpeace ka hand on eh? You want to go? So kere ife ya wo ndị politicians say no na local flight na emelu ha na za call ha na zagido call plane ahụ we land ya ona amalo nka ona amalo nka ona agbagarizi na mgbagari ahụ na agbagari ayi nwelu n'isi oga ekwugo okwu and ntu ahụ gasi we kwu okwu ka o si wedo ichozukwa agbagari ba jewe n'ọnwa ije decode o we kwuo na Ebuka Obi na atụ ga onwe ke you are wasting your time. You are wasting your time. Oblong in my head today, Maria, and you can try it next time. Nichi may travel. If you have the money to pay, they will give you network access through their Wi-Fi. Ogamadiko back as Rezugo. I've made calls with Qatar Airways with Wi-Fi in a higher altitude. Thank you very much. Stella Marisa, my brother is first class. You gotta go. My brother is first class service. You're not even na economy. Ịchọ ịnọrọ na Ethiopian airline na anya na wall ahụ especially amọ maybe na anya na ebe ahụ ndị hostels ka ọgụrụ na adọnọ toilet na adọ na anya ebe ahụ ịyafu ebe delu wifi why you need a wifi access ugu ịyafu ebe delu very clearly ka a na-ede ya ebe ahụ ịghọtana so ndị na-agba ya na ada eme call na plane ndị a na-atụrụ ụga you ask them for that services. If you pay, they will give you Wi-Fi access. You can make WhatsApp call for as many times as you want. You can even walk. Only somebody will do office work. You can connect that Wi-Fi to your laptop and be doing your work. Na plane. Yeah? Tinubu no na presidential jet on a short down as rock. Yeah? On him. Yeah? I have been opportune to be close to politicians. They make so much calls. Of course. Of course. So I want to show equal. I want to show equal. Eh? And I bagaleno. Ebo no neti nisi. I so no. You other go. Bushira Abo, you don't need to hate Waja. You don't need to hate him. You don't need to hate him. Ojo ne kukwa ntunyanwasi we ghọta. Manasi ni ikwu amaho. Ibezie. Ifre etu akita nsi we kọwara ya. Next time kita o ya try here o we funi ife na-ekwu eziokwu. Ịnọkata mmadụ dị ka Evangelist Ebuka Obi bata na plane igwe anye mena call. O ya kwụgwọ Wi-Fi access because no mana 50 minutes ọ nọ n'enu ahụ without make call. Ife nwere ike imebi. Iche na ndị lolo airline lolo planes a enwe idea. There are some like governor. A governor cannot fly without important lines here. Edo on. Because no mana can say make you if I'm not asking if I'm asking no for like 45 minutes or 1 hour without asking call, something might go wrong. Yes. So far I not 24 hours on phone and I update her. Anything I update here and instruction. Yes. And instruction. Even na a president in international flight. You wouldn't own a Wi-Fi on a plane. I do connected. Oh, yeah, non. Ola katolo ban officier. Ola katolo ban officier. No, le ba. Eh? They make call. On amalo this one. I want back an plane on a casino now. ụfọdụ n'ime unu ndị sịrị na ọ na-atravel kata na ikegwu na plane na-abịazi na compound ọ na-abịa eburu unu na ama this one nkụziri unu kịta unu nidere ịkwụ ụgwọ for this one nkụziri unu ịnọkọta mmadụ dịka Ifeanyị Ụba baa plane igwe anya gbanyụọ fonu ye ọ nọ n'enu ebe a 45 minutes he will be lost na a lot of things happening. Ndị ahụ ndị nidiri ịda monitor everything ha na-eme very closely. Very closely. So you don't expect him to Ebuka Obi, for instance, say nyazana call. What of onwe ife akụ chọrọ ikpe ka akụ onwe information akụ chọrọ ikpe ka onye what of onwe important information akụ na ndị otu e chọrọ ikpe ka enye ịghọtago esi na phone odogwu ya adụ on na plane. Emechana m ife ahụ last time m na-abata. Yes, emechana m ife ahụ last time m na-abata because o nwere something m chọrọ ịmonitor online wee kpọọ ha wee jụọ ha ego n'ọha wee kpọrọ m ego n'ọha na dọla wee sị ha emewuru m onwe m na kọl mgbe ha jụọ ha biko ego ole ka mma akwụ ka ha wee kọnekt arụ wifi ya ka m wee nọrụ connected n'ife na-eme ha wee kpọrọ m ego n'ọha na dọla wee sị ha emewuru m onwe m na kọl ọ prezidenti ka m chọrọ ịkpọ ka ọchukwu ka m chọrọ ịkpọ mana ndị ma important of it na they pay ifrọkwa pepere mpesịrị I use wifi always while on board on air connect to one wifi one hand tag ya na waja na this broadcast. I want him to come and learn this one. Go. We must not know everything. Iwe ahụ na ya amụ ife niile malog this one and akụzigoro nge life. You don't know this one. Akụzigoro ngo nke life. You need to listen. Thank you for teaching you this one. Ava. Ava. Hey, dara do gbanyu egwu a do gbanyu egwu a do ka ọ ghara imebiri m ife m na-eme ebe a ịghọtara dunu je gwa waja sịrị na ezugosiri na na-eme kọrọ na plane o next time ọ baa plane nyatara ya sịrị na nkwu na-eme kọrọ na plane a na-eme kọrọ na plane ọha esela ya okwu mana ngwa gị mara ọ sịghị na Ifeanyị Ụba na-eme kọrọ ma a na-eziokwu because Ifeanyị Ụba na-anọ on call steady. Ịghọtago ọ gwara na Ifeanyị Ụba na-eme call na plane dere agbanyernatazie complete gbanyernata complete from ahụ use na steering gbanyernata complete ịghọtago ọ gwara na Ifeanyị Ụba na-eme call na plane malo no original receipt. Can you tell us how you get connected? Negodi ife ọ na-ekwu na ife guru na azụ problem unu wu na ife na ama ha agwụ unu you won't like to learn. This is another opportunity for you to learn this. Not ebe a na-ajụ question. When you get into the plane gwa ha na ịchọrọ connect to wifi guru ọ bụrụ onye na-ahụ ya akụziri how to get connected. When you get into the plane, any airplane, tell them that you want to connect to their Wi-Fi. They will charge you, you pay. Ha connect yalo ye. Imebelu onwe gị fi na-eme ana akụzi oge ọ na-ada na akụziri unu ife na amahụ na ya chọkwa unu mụtazie nke a na ịmahụ nka guru mụta nke a na ịmahụ nka even ụfọdụ ABC transport GUO etiwe na Wi-Fi na ụfọdụ transport na ụfọdụ moto ha ka ha wee dụchọ na ndị mmadụ dela na akpọghị nudo ahụ ka ọ ghara ịlụ ọkụ. Ịghọtago akụzielu gị ife mahụ. There is Wi-Fi in aircraft, $30 per hour. Thank you very much, Mazimus Patrick. Dalo. You need to any simple question. Don't ask him any question. When you get into a plane, guru, go and ask. They will tell you. You don't need. The only thing is supposed to get from different comment of people here is that you can actually answer call in an aircraft, and that is very simple. Age was another question or year for the questions which doesn't make sense. Only easy. Yeah. If you're not gonna be. Or if I'm there, no, now that I'm so. And I could say, if one on a mother not engage in an argument, public transport in Kenya have free Wi-Fi. Thank you very much. Even some of these public transport, they are now ensuring that now they will see. Look at mother confident day. Take a business mother yes we make it simply because no in a journey. That is what they are trying to avoid. Now since now about Madone I confirm Gulu Yeba Gulu. Why are you still complaining? Are you still doubting? Even more than how many people know that this broadcast confirm Gulu? Yes, no name. With us no name. Waja Amahonka. Obviously because of Jubo, huh? Yeah? Majority of people now on a business class not connected to Wi-Fi. Majority of people know a business class not connected to Wi-Fi. If we have business class for people have laptop, huh? No, me had their Geneva had laptop him and I had all connected to internet. Yeah? Yes, of course, all internet call now. About regular call now, you can call WhatsApp call, you can call on Messenger. Of course, you can call on WhatsApp, you can call on Messenger. The same way ESCCBA, Low Dubai. Now, also many here who claim to have done it are all lying. One name like this I am mutakuna ukwo. Like this I learn ukunu this thing. Kegi say as many who are here claim to have done it are all lying. A wofa whether na fa na atoga or na fa da atoga, the fact remains that you can make call in an airplane. So since you know now that you can make call now in an airplane, and Evangelist is not a small person that he cannot make call in an airplane. About a lot of our brothers here who nafaneme. Why can't you put a zife Ebuka Obi say Evangelist make do call? Why Evangelist they make call? Can you phone on a plane? Only the discuss any other discussion. He can choose to use that opportunity to make a long call, sort of one or two things, only the result. It is not a big deal. It is not a big it is not a big, after all, prophecy. It wasn't even today. That prophecy, people knew. Yes. So, of what use to call that now about the same prophecy now? You gotta go of what use? Ogamadi go back. I send the guy request. I want to accept or decline. No, you gotta go. Of what use? Of what use can you point exactly ono shall erase from Evangelist Ebuka Obi? I am asking, what point exactly do you want to make? I don't know the point you want to make. Agwago mono na enwela amụma do real. Amụma do real. You know that go. Hey, there are these. Here, yeah, we have confronted you people in so many things. And we are living by example. Some of you don't know the way back to their roots. Some of you don't know the way back to their root. I use British Airways, their internet connection for you to use, but you must pay for to use it. What you don't know it. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. There are people who fly here. They fly almost every week, every 2 weeks, every 3 weeks. They are here. They know exactly what I am saying. Ogama go back and let me bring you in through this way. Can I invite you in? Come on, Oyaga. You gotta go. So, after me, the last time, Ebuka Obi could normally mix people on take a person. I don't know why. Ogama go back. You are welcome, sir.
Dalo Ezugo, Kekime.
The master.
Okay, thank you for having me, Ezugo.
Thank you, sir.
Back. I'm calling from Nova Scotia, Canada.
You are welcome, sir.
Thank you, my brother. Ịmago na ihe mmadụ na-amaghị karịrị ya. Onye ka esi amụta ihe, what makes me a great man today?
Or increase kwa. See na body. Agbanyunata. See from the system no way.
Okay, my brother. Thank you for having me. What makes me and you a great man today is what we do not know, we learn. And when we learn, we add it to our own knowledge, what we have gotten before. But if you have refused to learn, how comes are you going to know about what you're talking about? Aurona use Wi-Fi name plane, then you have to learn from people who have used it, which I'm a living example. I have used it, and what I used was a free Wi-Fi. I did not pay for it. I was traveling somewhere with Qatar Airways. So when I entered the plane, I saw signs of Wi-Fi in the plane.
Yes.
I walked up to the plane haven't taken off yet. I walked up to the lady and asked her, please, can you give me the Wi-Fi code that I need to use it? She said to me, no, you can't use it now. That when the plane takes off I think she said, then the free Wi-Fi will be activated and you can use your free Wi-Fi.
Yes.
This was a very simple explanation. A very simple explanation. I have never witnessed it before. I said, okay, I have to wait. Let me see whether this is true. So when the plane took off and it flew, when it settles well, they announced that the Wi-Fi is active. Now you can activate your Wi-Fi, and I activated it, and I made a WhatsApp call from the plane. I called my wife. She was surprised. She said, I thought you're I said, yeah, I'm calling you from the plane. The Qatar Airways had the Wi-Fi. So that was my first experience, you know. So if you haven't experienced it, understand that it exists. The world is going to its technological world. Anything is possible right now. So I'm a living witness. I've used it in Qatar Airways, and I did not pay for it. It was free Wi-Fi they get for it to get to everybody. They gave to everybody. So, but now currently, I think some airlines are charging for it.
Yeah, they are charging. They are charging per.
Yeah,
they are charging per hour, I think.
Yeah. So if you have not used it, understand that it works. Ezugo is not lying to you. You haven't got the experience.
Go back and look at question somebody na Jugulu. Ezugo, how many times have you encountered it? Look at it. Is this question even necessary? Is this question
no, it's not necessary?
When someone is here telling you that he has done it, you are asking Ezugo, does it matter whether I have done it or not? I have told you that it is happening, and people have confirmed here, even in the comment section, that it is happening. Yeah? Like this, how can we learn? Take away the hatred.
It's not
Evangelist Ebuka Obi and learn this one. I have just given you this lecture free. Ogamadi go back. I has come here again to explain to you free of charge without even taking money from you. Say
yes, the question is not necessary because this is a fallacy. So I'm a living witness. I'm saying it now. I used it, and I said the airline that I used it is Qatar Airways. So I have not witnessed it in any other plane craft, but I know definitely they have them. If Qatar can have it, any other plane can have it.
Ethiopian
so it's true.
Most people fly
of course, now that's it. You know, Ethiopian airline has it as an African airline. Okay, that's beautiful. So it's not a very new thing. And this thing, I witnessed it. Let me tell you when I witnessed this thing. That was about 2000 and that should be 2000 and either 15 or 16. So it's not today. It's been a long time. I think 2016 I witnessed that. So it's not something I witnessed yesterday or last year or last 2 years. At about 2016 I witnessed it. So it's been in existence in a long time. And I used the free Wi-Fi. We did not pay for it. It was given to all passengers on board free. Free. So it's not really a new thing. If it's just because you guys have not witnessed it. So Ezugo, keep updating our people because it's a very good thing. I love it.
Thank you, sir.
Because I don't know why people should be debating about having a Wi-Fi in aircraft in this 21st century.
Thank you, sir.
So it's not a new. I used it either 2015 or 16. This thing
Look
happened.
at it. 2015.
Of course, now it's a long time. It's not today.
Like 8 to 9 years ago. Yeah.
Long time.
Yeah.
So it's not a new thing.
Yeah.
So guys should wake up. The world have goes for a long time, you know. Just because our nation, ihe na-ebutere anyị mgbe ọbụla na Nigeria old plane craft, they don't bring new jets to us. Mgbe ọbụla every plane na-abịa na Nigeria, whether British Airways, whether Emirates, whether Qatar, whether what airline, whatever Delta airline, ihe niile old plane, they get their worst to Nigeria and to Africans. So they always get their bad planes for Africans to use. So they don't bring planes with modern technologies for us. That's the problem. But in what another transit to connect to another country, say you know a new jet you use, you start knowing the difference. That's not a old aircraft can able to carry here. You know. So thank you, my brother. Keep educating the people.
Thank you, sir.
Educating the people. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you for having me.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. Igbo Nation Palace TV, I welcome you. All the airline have it. That's why you can buy things with your Visa card while on the air. The same network that powered POS can easily give network to your mobile. 15 years ago, Naim, I don't make Wi-Fi call on air while traveling. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Wi-Fi is normal to all international flights. Do you think airplane fly without net and without connection? Gulul mutazie onnam aneme call na airlines onnam. Obviously, if Ebuka Obi kwuru is not out of place, the man has been flying for years. Do you think he can be speaking from uninformed point? Was it what you think? Eh? If I catch Iri Ji Shiva, I do strong enough. Eh? Okay. Okay, go. So don't think that he's speaking from uninformed point of view. Eh? Each and every go be after just go futu go where we no okwu. Eh? It's not a new thing. I see people making calls. Thank you. Yeah, but if even Chinese even na local flight if nukutoga if doka Attire if doka Allen Onyema if doka Ifeanyi Uba or take full pictures na Ifeanyi Uba na earpiece na call or take full yeah sure can they help with the pictures you know for a lot of all these big men for except even all these big boys doka kelafa ha imoni ha and imoni ha question upon ha na ndị otu efo ha na-emecha call efo ha na-emecha plane this thing nọrọ ha even private jet even hired jet here na ha hire jet from Lagos na fly from Lagos to Enugu. They make calls. It's not a new thing. It is not a new thing. I believe you are that so jenu dig kwa another thing. Nwere ife na ebe eme na awu unu na atụ ga na medical ogo na atụ. Nwere ife ọzọ. You people will lie. I decode the answer. You lie. I decode the answer. He unu to ga decode the answer. Nwere ife ọzọ na eme na awu he. Nwere ife ọzọ. Ndị be anyị need ịmara eziokwu. It's not only calls. We use laptops too. Of course, I've seen so many people. Oga is not something new. Talk about something else. Look at it. Igbo amụrụ onye no ego amaghị m onye ewu, but I think na the even need ime ewu ijekwu gulu na waja je lecture ha gwa ha that is not new thing. We are not telling you that it is new thing if it's not that you cannot be sensible enough. If it is not that niile na sense uje gulu amaghị m ife ije gulu fọdụ n'ime na elecha na senses even when people are talking sense you are not seeing sense in ife a na-ekwu. So is it my business? I can't blame you. Even when people are talking sense, you are seeing nonsense. I am lecturing your blind group, ignorant of what I am saying. I am lecturing them here. It's not a new thing. Go and tell them that it's not a new thing. Are you telling me that no? Go and tell them that doesn't know. Here, Gulu cannot argue. Go and tell him that in Ife is going to for once confirm what Ife for once to confirm what Ife Nkulu when the mother Ife Nkulu was yoku Onogaya Iwaji. Let this even be the only thing Nkugolo Ikwetagolo Nezoku. Iwezbote Igbo amụrụ onye na-ego ife ewu mpama can insult say okay ife insult ife ewu mpama ife ewu anụmanụ or ife ewu animal ewu ofia. You are always insulting people all the time. Kerifi biarebe onye invite you here. Ọnụ na-ada edewe ahụ n'ụnụ ndị soro ọnụ eso mgbe egosiri ụnụ na ụnụ amaghị ka esi eso ọnụ ụnụ asọkọ mbụ ozugbo tọwa alịlị. Ụnụ asọkọ mbụ tọwa alịlị. It is not a new thing. Ebe waja melu that video ijele ebe ahụ comment ya ka ebe o melu that post igara ebe ahụ kịta je comment ya gwe mba na ife a na-eme. Did you go there to comment ebe ịmụ ife ebe iwu ewu ebe iwu ha tụrụ ijele ebe ahụ kịta je comment ya Jane screenshot or comment ye be Guariamba, waja, and if you know, no pass, none may eme. None may call on a plane. Did you do it? You may, but I say, come there one them mother if I was none may a baby. No, it is not a new thing. Or talk about another thing. Come, I will talk about Ishi. I will talk about it. Okay, the Mandana was here today. Let us talk about Ishi. Igbo amụrụ onye na-ego isi uketa ka ihe ekwu maka. Let us talk about Isi, or we will talk about Anyang, or we will talk about Imino. What we should talk about. Let us talk about Isi. So, new topic now on the floor. Let us talk about Isi amụrụ nego. Isi eketa ka ihe na-ekwu maka eketa. Topic exchange go. We are talking about Isi. How best to describe Isi amụrụ nego. Nyagwai. Let us talk about Isi.
Oh, brother, good morning.
You are welcome, sir. Dalo.
I can that no arguments arguments you have to go those kind of things.
Exactly.
Because somebody that is graduate in school now because they go to secondary school or something. In a cream, wife and intelligent, do this, do a school.
Yes.
That is the problem we have.
Yes.
So none argument here. Only can handle the local flight.
Yes.
They never enter local flight, but they are just arguing because the topic remain the topic. You only you have to go those kind of things.
Yes.
Before somebody and a put your on a flight, we witness here, we never development. Yeah, in Africa, that's only no witness something so many years ago. One of my witness in 2015.
You see?
Portugal airline, Isiagu, Mozambique, you have to go those things. I was so surprised. Can't on not for many things. You know, for GNM call, negotiating one development. So, any to this kind of thing in 2024. I gotta go that stage.
Imagine.
Yeah, I gotta go that stage. Yeah, stage okay now. Stage yeah, was computer na you see to go. A one video call.
Exactly.
This particular Wi-Fi of a thing is just a normal story for to go with. One witness in 2015. I don't know about one witness in Kenya. Can we say one on the exist is 2011? No, we doing a flight.
Yes.
So 2015 can witness you can go Mozambique.
Some of them for the name have travel, no plane habalo. We may travel 8-9 years ago, no plane plane habalo. How can we have Oboda Hajelu? A move boat from Oboda to another place. So to me, I don't think I can so if any.
Only flight some time ago. On the one line. Look at this one. 3 3 3 3 3. Guys, 3 3 also 3 times 3 times 6 or 9. 3 times 9. How big that flight is? I wouldn't been Modian before. In order.
Yes.
That flight is Geneva almost 1,000 something people.
More Emirates here able double decker.
Yeah, I don't know Emirates. In that flight, I don't surprise. Even how my no Bunana at the same line or not. The same line which I almost 20 something people.
Yes.
So only in a color that guy also Guinea or because Guinea he never enter such flight. You know?
Yes.
So a lot of people make blind argument. That is why I know what CSG and work with tomorrow. And you are trying to lecturing those that are educated more than you. You are plating on 30%. Why you are trying to lecture people now 80%? How do you think that they are going to listen to you and learn something from what you are saying? We end in argument. We argue a lot. We can argue, fight what we don't know. People that are bigger than you, that know more than you, now call them then they claim that I don't exist. Why you know what you can also Ali Kikeda or if that 80s, we're going international, claim no tank of flight. 80s same biggest flight now. Or Wali Kimureko, Kefa, all these local flights in Nigeria. So when you go to that flight, in an argument about Emirates, in an argument of Qatar Airline, in an argument about Portugal Airline, and all so many of them, they will be thinking that all of them are the same. They are not the same. You cannot witness every day. Flight in one Africa here, they use they're going to use all the form of manual car. You know, no automatic car guy. With the automatic car, if you hear it, you know all those things. So people don't need to be making unnecessary arguments. Yeah, because now because the courier, hey, we are all talking together treats. I know also courier. Maybe in one year, could you pass not always your quiz because never capuzi. As you know, as none exist. Man, not to go no resist. Career 9. So that is it, my brother.
Okay. Thank you very much, sir. Dalos. Sir.
Yeah, where from you?
Okay. You gotta go. What you don't know is bigger than you. And that's the equal maho. No man is an island of knowledge. If you don't know, Guru said that is not the topic. I wonder what is the topic here. I'm telling you. Yeah. Odogu, you are welcome, sir. Okay,
welcome. Also, ka m chọrọ ikwu mpụkwa ege na Igbo oge ọ bụrụ na ị na-aṅa awaja na guru ntị nke izi bụ ihe banyere Ebuka Obi na-agba ha gbara ntị mgbe Ebuka na kwuru emepere ụdị si isi ala mba daze ebe ọ na-eje permanent sanctuary now n'Imo State now ma ezugo ma waja ndị Emeka ejike moment of truth a na-ekwusi ọ emepe factory ka mma ka emepe church but now Matthias na-eje state to state emepe branches and I support because ha na-eme expect ka o mee ha chairman and the bishop na ebe ha nọ all the same thing ka ọ bụ. So if you are listening to them you just na-egbu onwe oge ha ma nke bụ eziokwu ha ma deceive ndị mmadụ they know the truth. That in the mail of exist of my anime phone na anime call na airline. The last time program the last years na nje Cameroon here. Only make more the surprise to be sincere. Mon never call ever. to be sad and surprised. But I've never called there. I was surprised. Yeah. Now, because yes, not be possible. I can do it. Sim boy, he can so catch me market, and I try to mail. Manaf didn't make up. So what Jawajana is you go be here by Ebuka Obi, ne way is about you. Maybe not a mess, maybe at now how Kekos bro, Oberon, I cannot respect, or Ojibro, I cannot respect. That is why money on the matter see me, Marcion as you, they support him.
They support him 100%.
On the paper branch in Enugu this year, this month, this week again. And I Koreaka, right down. When just fight to look on me Peru. Every time test message that now you Nina fight against the church without a company, but you are supporting that person. You may pay the same thing again. No Omenala. Go me who can name Matasa name a set arrange or for the breakfast was name. Go me who was a name born a member on a girlfriend. On a fundraising, on a henine, if you know which I won't choir, and then choir no Omenala, on choir there, on cafe, attendance card, on attendance card, they have attendance card there. Before a year ago, in Yamaraka, I check attendance, they are paying. So, my brother, don't mind them, my brother. They are on keys, but now I thank you for what I've done. Then, cafe ijowa may God continue to bless you. Una basim boyke ha ban kebe ezioku ihe bi okay erim can we no Sunday in India but matters again in India on this of the wetiaka in go in India again. If you want to know history about Matthias, get joined India in marrying home ha had one of no complete a fraud couple. So don't bind them at that brother. I make an igni in a wasim boyke. Thank you very much. In a try, thank you,
sir.
God bless you, my brother.
Sir.
Yeah.
Okay. Guli, but I go here. Guli Zibo. You know, in here. They live to go on suspension in your page here. You are live to go on suspension in here. You go suspension for many months on a page here. But they live to go in here. Let us hope that now we will interact better with you. This period. Yeah. Let us hope that we will have better interaction with you this period. I declare your suspension lifted. So you can send your request again after I go and come over Okwero. You know what I go? After I go and come over Okwero. Oga Peter. Oga Peter.
Ezugo.
Yeah. Then if I have one now.
Ezugo.
Without the one name.
Ezugo.
Brother.
Yeah,
goes to
check him in now. Then my friend.
Yeah,
can you see the topic? Now after forget better.
Afro ebe waja na-ekwu maka ife Evangelist Ebuka Obi kwuru na n'ụbọchị ọfụrụ Ifeanyi Uba na plane chọọ ka ọ gwa maka that prophecy o nwere ebe ọ nọ na Ifeanyi Uba zakito call wee rituo. So he was arguing that another aza call na plane number one, another aza call na plane. Then secondly, what else was he arguing? But the main thing one other Zako on a plane. Then if I ban with 2 private jets, if I ban was in a commercial plane, so if I basis of argument here, so we say can Kowali or Fuma now Zako on a plane, they will go Wi-Fi.
Waja. That now no corona that pop on according to Nagana. Oh man, Zako on a plane.
Waja.
Oh man, you know,
Waja a traveler and how much anana Zako on a plane. But also for my
you know, VIP and Zako. You na-ekwu na-ekwuzi ka na ọmazi ya na akọ dị ahụ dị. Ka ọ maka na Ebuka Obi. aka na-Ebuka Obi waja alapụ ndị ụka ya chọọ program ọzọ ọ na ọ nwere program ya mechie peji ya oge ọ na ndị ụka o nwezi oge ya mechie peji mmadụ zuoro ya ike na social media ọrụ oge ọbụla ndị ụka
taking calls on a plane. What are you even saying, Gulu? Sometimes your argument is ideological at all. You have confirmed the fact that no, why are you since Nangonwa Nebama no, why are you looking for people who have encountered people doing that? But you have confirmed here that name no, so sometimes I don't understand the on go to me or for the moon and all people. You have just the fact that yes, it happened, it's obtainable. But how many of you have seen? So, but you are still waiting for somebody who has seen. You see, why can't you just acknowledge the fact that Nana Zako on a plane? Yeah? And I have just
that
Ivan Obama for some time now has been flying with commercial plane. Yes. Especially since public office, he has been flying with commercial plane. How many times? Why can't you just accept? Why can't you just accept that, okay, this one, I think, and that these people will here this time. Yeah. Let us learn this one for the sake of many people who don't know that Nefa and Eme. Why can't you just accept it? And it will slide. But you keep coming here in so necessary and irrelevant questions that doesn't add up to Ifaneku. Peter.
So, waja only get any ndụmọdụ waja chọọ program ọzọ ma ya rapụ ndị ụka yapụ ndị ụka emere tere na Ebuka Obi ọ na-Ebuka Obi ọ na ọ ga-abịa mere ihe Ebuka Obi na-eme Ebuka Obi letuo waja abịa alụbụ ya ka obi dịkwuo ọnụ gị mma ụlọ na-achọ ka eme ụlọ ọzọ program a ga-eme ju oge ọ na ndị ụka ndị bịaju kwestion kịta ndị bịaju kwestion na ndị ụka kịta esena nna jụgo ofu kwestion eti na-efu ikwu ofu okwu ejikịta ikwukwe ya ọzọ ndị bịaju kwestion na ịlụlụ ụlọ ụka kịta ibewa ma akwa ịgbachafụwa m ofu kwestion a na-ajụ gị everyday yọta so etugo sometimes ine ọnụ ọwa aja kwuru okwu ndị ụka sometimes ịgbachafịa nkịta ya mere ihe na-eme maka ama ndị na-adị bizi gbachafịa nkịta ya mere onwe gị ihe achọ ma program ọzọ ka ị na-eme amadụ nọ ya ụka wa aja akwa
even the way people can reply here only mana a lot of people believe na waja matter ma so thing and somebody do like that man ụfọdụ ndị nwere ndị na-afịa as somebody do informed or pass such information there is need
ị na-afịa ka ị ga-ekwu eziokwu asị dị ya n'ọnụ karịa eziokwu anta ọ dị aghụghọ so ọ na-ekwu ya with logic ọ na-ekwu with hatred onye na-ewutezi m sometimes ebe ọ nọ yọta ọ na-ekwu agba m ihe ọ ma etere ya na-Ebuka Obi mgbe ọ n'ofu onye ịkpọ ndị ọzọ na-akpọkwa ma ndị dibịa na-akpọ ndị ọzọ na-akpọkwa ndị ọzọ akwa ọkụkọ anyị na-akpụchakwa ha afa jụọ akwa ọkụkọ ọsọ dibịa na-enye gị ego ọsọ gwa mere dibịa igbo ndị ikwu dị maka ya oge ọ na onye ụka onwe ụka mee gị rapụrụ ndị ụka ga-ezoro gị ike ị na-ekwukwa ụka ahụ sef ndị mmadụ na-agachi ya ike ị na-ekwukwa ụka na-agachi ya ike ikwu na adịta ndị bịa next Sunday adị 80 a na-eme increase every day nke unu na-enyewekwa onyinye unu atụwa ụtụ nke ndị dị iche na ndị ụka ọrụ ofu ya ngwa onye awara izido onwe ya Ezugo biko ana m akọ ndịra aka Ezugo biko kpofuru ngo nke bụ ego Ezugo biko ka m ga-agụdo eme ka anyị kwuo rapụ ya waja echere m okwu iche ọlụchere m iji okwu ama na waja abụgodịla mpụọ waja mara nwe waja nke ikpeazụ asef Ezugo na-etabere ka anyị kwuo ana m akọ waja biko
daalụ Peter daalụ Iwatago Gulu that is not the only lie in that Ebuka Obi prophecy. Tell me the lie that is in that prophecy. Tell me the lie that is in that prophecy. Tell me. He made this prophecy first before Ivan Yoba was attacked. Who make this prophecy? Yeah, before Ebuka Obi, before Ivan Yoba was attacked. He repeated the same prophecy again after he was attacked. So what is there? What is there? Okay, Ngwa. People who are not close to Ifeanyi, but are they going to come and confirm? I don't even want us to be calling Ifeanyi. You got to go. I'm like your kind of bring in Afa Ifeanyi in all these things. You got to go. I'm only trying to tackle a part of this lie and spread. You got to. It's not as if I want to come and start talking about Ifeanyi, but let's know anything that has to be. You got to go. So many things in there just to be paying tribute to him. So, this is not the first prophecy any group people will be go to pass. So many of us, any guy prophecy be to pass. Yes. So many of us, and we give him Nzuzo, Agbalaye, no, they too. This is not actually the first time it is happening. This is not the first time. And a people prophecy. So, from if this one year, you will problem. Moreover, more why you believe in Alpha. Man, he believe in a prophecy. If on now, okay, he believe in Alpha, but he believe in a prophecy. If on it, okay. How many people shall join this broadcast? But for some reason, I think I will have to end this broadcast here. Yeah. Manajezienu waja na ezugo gwara ya o na emeka ọ na plane. Senior na move na emeka ọ na plane. Dere mana mbe need check anyị test godo mota. Ihe nye nwa maka na gate odo eweni iwe. Kan test godo ebe. Mpụta do nke type ya nọmba. Mechie bonnet yo. Let's go play the video again. Which video? I go feature now play the video again. Which video can they play? I want if feature done at the video. One before I want to know if feature done at the video. No more play the video again. I want on that time. Oh good. Sorry, brother. I don't have that time, man. What on that time? Hmm? What on that time? Play the video again. What am I playing the video for? Eh? What am I playing the video for? Bolone kunu play go here. Eh? Bolone kunu play go the video. I've just confirmed to you. Now they make call on a plane. It is enough. I've just confirmed to Waja. Now, since if I yoba, you will assume public office. If I yoba that travel with private jet, yeah, it is enough. Yeah, I've just confirmed. I've just cleared a lot of your doubts here. So I'm also coming for saying I choke enough from me. I will know when I see if you know that the video. You should tell me. Yeah. It's not even because Nankam, a lot of people have the value of prophecy. You know that go? A lot of people have the value of prophecy. You know that have the value of prophecy. I mean, other people have more value. You know that go? You might have the value of prophecy. That does not mean other people have more the value of prophecy. Huh? You have moved more than that because Zion on Facebook is now your full-time job. It's not your business. It's not your business, good. It's not your business. Is it your business? Am I complaining? Are you me? Are me you? Are we me? Are we you? Yeah? How is it your business? Baba. How is it your business? It's none of your business, man. Live your life. Let me live my own life. Don't come and start dictating my life as if na my father or my mother. You want that go? Okay. I think And he's a victor. He's a man is Yoku now. He's not me. Eh? Or say Gono. And I like it that reply to Guru. And I like it that reply to Guru. I'm more eventually like it that reply to him. You are what? Kerifo Delu now. You have all the time now. Too much time. Too much time. Too much time. But no time. But on platform jump from Efa. Bouncing baby boy. Bouncing baby boy. Guru. Bouncing baby boy. You are jumping from one platform to another. Yet in no time. You are jumping from one platform. A bouncing baby boy. Yeah? A bouncing baby boy. Yeah? Waja boy has camera. Waralam Elandia. Onye agbaghị gwara m Elandia. HKT gara m Elandia. Yeah? More platform mana oge ọwụ na ịnọ n'ebe niile. Ịdụ more active karịa ndị nwere platform. You are more active more than ndị nwere platform. Maximus Patrick, why not? Why not if not? Why not? Why can't I add you? I'm sending you invitation, Ozugbo. Odogwu, I greet you, sir. I greet you.
I don't have to come.
Mba, ị na-afụ clear now. Gawa n'ihu fire down.
Dale, Ezugo, asị nka m nwa akwụego dị gị na ị na-eme ọfụma. At the same time, ka nsịkwa gị na ndịkwasịrị about nwanne anyị nwoke hapụrụ anyị capital oil and gas.
Yes.
Na asị anyway, etu ọnụ na mkpụrụ obi ya zuru ike na ndokwa.
Amen. Amen.
So,
Amen.
According to ihe kede ọga ya nwụ na-ekwu echitis mafia nke si that na adị atakọ na flight n'ụdị ha wa adị exist ajụgodo onye a ma ọbago flight before onye na-agbabe flight for the first time o nwere ka ọ bụrụ na ọba flight ọ bụrụ na ụmụ ọbara akpụrụka si from Lagos aga Abuja ọba the cheapest one even n'any class mmadụ na ọgụdụ na economic ịnọ flight if any airline at all naga international well space for Wi-Fi because the same go ihe na flight na GPO energy card akwụgwọ the same network ahụ na-ebu phone the same network aha all the same network ahụ ihe eji emekwa that internet call ebe anyị amụta but the truth na ihe mere no because of n'ọgụ akwụrie or because of n'ọgụ akwụrie ka onye ahụ eyi ekwe because o nwegodo ndị ya awụgodi etu nọ na ha nọchigodo n'ụzọ tren nke ọrụ ezugosi apụta n'ụzọ tren na tren na-ebu mmadụ ha nwee yere ekwe emi accept because of n'ọgụ ọrụ ezugo kwuru ya and ha ya nke ebe a tren aja amụọ ha etu a si wee dị nna m onye kazi ka mpịọrọ go obere ihe a
daalụ sa daalụ sa ha amụma na anyị ndị odogwu nwegoro experience na platform aja ha amaghị ha che na anyị na-ekwu from in a different point of view go. If one on one, I don't think I'm have to go on a platform like this. But I'm thank you very much.
That's we start. I buy no. I want to know my case. Can you so get this? My case is okay.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, no, it is okay. Equal can I do more? I think one and can't equal them, and as long as he could my and I could organize them.
Yes, Yoko.
Oh, there's no Kaiko. There's no Kaiko number.
Dallas did it. Dallas
didn't them. The show.
Anyị nwere ndị wodogwu na platform a nwere onwe ife gbagwojuru anyị anya anyị akpọ mmadụ jụọ ya ịghọtago unu echezina na anyị na-ekwu from an uninformed point of view. You can make call in a plane. There is prophecy and it is working. Yes, it is working. Yes, it is working. A lot of people, a lot of men, big men, career men, career women, they must have to seek the voice of a prophet before they do what they are doing, and it has been working for them. If it has been working for them, who are you to come and tell them otherwise? If not that, no go ona olu obunke meje nke ya na anyi ji monu obu nke meje nke ya naanị ji ya onu ife aka unu tukwudu n'ide eme guru kene godum thank you na m kụziri ụlọ akwụkwọ n'ụtụtụ a. I assume that na waja ma, but he just wanted to make a point. But I am assuming that normal because now waja has been traveling. He is a traveler. So from a traveler doke nefe both international and local flight by year. Almost every 3 months, 4 months. From somebody not in his capacity, yes, yeah, I doubt the fact that na make on a plane. Yes. A lot of people now do busy one or na business trip like this. How when or we coordinate here a lot of calls ni nefa name coordinate here a lot of things name because na eba ka we rest. That place somebody cannot walk in or when you key disturb. Yeah. You told us that this Evangelist heart was healed by a so-called prophet. And who is doubting that? Who is doubting that? That God delivered you from an accident in Owerri. Does it mean that the same person cannot die of accident in Port Harcourt? Yeah? that God delivered you from blood sickness. Does it mean that in future that the same sickness cannot occur? Sometimes in attack him na some of the post email about it. I simply ignored you for a reason. I ignored you because you were not actually saying anything. That is why you were ignored. Guru. That is why you were ignored. It's not like telling somebody that somebody delivered me, that God delivered me from Ndohi Nabini. Then look another day somebody in a travel Potana Lagos or Potana Ghana. Ndohi Zoyohi. In Asionia or Pongo na God delivered from Ndohi from Bini. It's more like the question you are asking, which doesn't make sense to me. So I wouldn't even like to waste my time on it. Yeah? Yeah? Don't repeat it again. Yeah? You will keep repeating the same thing like a broken record. Yeah? You need to repeat the same thing like a broken record. Yeah? You keep repeating the same thing. So when you go to hospital today, when you go to hospital today, they treat your malaria now. Is that enough reason that no more people tomorrow that you cannot still suffer from that same malaria? I'm asking you. Yeah? Or will if I arrow somebody shoot to Rebino? Who says that the same person has gone to rest? Onye kwuru na onye shoot to that arrow na kpugola. Eh? Onye kwuru na onye shoot to that arrow no na kpugola. Or will go to know a normal reality sickness? Who says that because my hospital treat you today, that same sickness, no a guarantee that it can never come back on Taiwan? Who says that? Yeah? Who says that? Yeah? Guru Bagaleva, in a tiakana tipa buntu. In a tiakana tipa buntu. How I wish you know understand that if only go anyway, Jenan go bad, you don't go bad like Imation, a man if you know on a call noise economy make. We Jenan go bad, Fifeneman go bad, and the environment here. If only tiakana tipa buntu, the ministry is moving to the permanent site. You know what go? The ministry is moving to the permanent site. It is moving fast to the permanent site. You people are busy doing the advert. You are doing the free advert. You are doing advert that people are not paying you for. Eh? On Emaro, eh? Motor you have that on a park. Yeah, motor on a park. You people are doing free advert. Hmm? Oh, Gulu, so you know. You even know more than me. Huh? Yeah. Yeah, well. Eh? Mm-hmm. So, unu na emelu Ebuka Obi free advert. Or don't shop table The more you people talk about him, the more many people want to know about Zion. The more many people want to know about what is happening in Zion. You got to go. For example, unu advertiser, unu sonande advertiser ngopala, and thank God that unu na kwena ngopala n'ọkụ. For example, you got to go. Unu akwigo ngopala n'ọkụ. So you people should keep doing that. All thanks to you. Daalụnụ. Etu arụkunu si n'ọkata mee akụ Zion ụwa niile mara onye ọwụ. Unu che na unu na-eme mmadụ na ama na unu na-arị emetara onye ọwụ emetara. Na ekunu si wee nọkata ma akụ Zion wụrụ nya, and a celebrity grew from nowhere. He's a celebrity, I confirmed it. Ebe ọwụ na akụ jelu kịta afụ onye ya afọ akụ. Even here, a lot of people for ha mụ ezugo ka maka akụ Zion unu meri ọdụ possible. Ezugo kelu maka akụ Zion unu merie ọdụ possible. Ịghọtago? Yeah? Page akụ Zion now is heading to 70-something thousand followers. Unu merie ọdụ possible. Daalụnụ. I remember when that page was still about 6,000 followers, which is like barely 2-3 months ago. Yeah? Today, that page is heading to 70-something thousand. Very soon, up here, 80,000 followers. Unu very auto possible. Free advert. Keep advertising. Everywhere. I cannot even move around now without somebody saying, Akosayon Deva. You see? Unu very auto possible. You have failed. So Matthias won't fly na Facebook are popular. Or because of news, are the home. On Afubuhe. So Matthias wonye mfugolu apogolo afa na Facebook ọ da ka ihu ọ da ga azụ ọ dọnụ n'ofu ebe to ka ngwọrọ n'ọnụ ụgbọ ọ sonya wonye mfulu apogolo afa kpọ afa ọrịgharị obuhebu ọtahata uchi ya hazụ ọga ihu ọga hazụ ọgba ọsọ so sonya ndị ọzọ niile because ị naghị eme ife dị mma akpọba gị afa people bịa ha ka ha mara ife kpatara eji akpọ gị afa ha ya dọrọ magneted by ezigbo ife ahụ ị na-eme. Yeah, and that is it. Okari ihe etu a. So akpọkata Matthias ebiakwa nyụọ anya ka ị mara ife ahụ a na-ekwukarịcha maka Matthias ebialuo ebe a ya fu anything ejewalụkwa. That is why na o so n'onye mfolo platform nye ka no below 300,000 for over 7 years. Amụrụ m na ife ahụ since over 7 years. Page ka no 200 and something thousand or 190, 100 and something thousand. Oh, they ebu. One can even think that in a page where he grow at least over 1 million followers. How many years? On a goal. Or less on Facebook, I just man on my couldn't na page here anyhow. Yeah? Look at within the space of 2 months or 3 months. Platform Akosayon grew go to almost 80,000 followers. Yeah? Free advert unu merie melu. No people just advertised him free kunu merie without akwụkwọ ụgwọ. Ese n'ọlụ amala Chineke aka honko. E can adjudicate people's testimony. Testimony karịrị na platform do 6,000 followers about 3 months ago or 2 months ago. Now today is heading to 80,000 followers. And onye ahụ a content creator. Onye ahụ a musician. Onye ahụ a movie actor. Onye ahụ a blogger. The platform are just blow away. Testimony carry golden testimony carry that one. One nwere ife na-eme na platform nke obugo onye nnọọ just donoro ụfọdụ ọpụta bịa bụ abụ nwa aṅụrị gbone ka ịfụta n'ala ebe akụpụtara kwuwe nnokwu na peji kwuwe nnokwu for how long apart from ịbịa mere onwe ya advert zoro bita ya gbakenne m otu mkpụrụ ife ya sị na ife akụ na-abịa eme yes platform onye ọwụna chọrọ ịma onye akụawụ onye ọwụna chọrọ ime onye akụawụ the same thing with Aba. The same thing with Aba. Iruo na Aba everywhere akụ mokwi nwere ike ije n'ofu shop na Aba sị ha do tiri n'ụmụ nri ka nlie ha sị ukele ego ese ha akụza ya nwa ipe tiri nri iruo n'ofu shop gwa ha biko ha nye bread ka ịta ha sị ukele ego ese ha na-eme onye akụwụ ha sị gị oke go bread gara. That is how popular ọ na-enweghị iwe jekwa isi na kota onwe onye mere ibe ọmụ meghị ife narị. That is how popular ọdụ. And ụfọdụ n'ime unu contribute ụfọdụ n'ime unu contribute to that popularity, and we cannot thank you people more. I think I will thank all of you on behalf of Akozion. Chineke gozie unu. You people should keep doing that. From then after I go back to their root. Ọ bụrụ na ị maghị ụzọ to your root, kpọọ mụ nwa wezugo ka nje jụọ ese bụ na ọwụ na ịma na ife m na-aza nwoke afọ kpọọ mụ. I will go and ask people ha akụzielu m ụzọ esi ejebe ndị be oke afọ na amịrị ma ọ wee bụ ọbụla akụzielu m lead you to your root. For me, I'm a Muslim, my root. Even right now, I've said it. I'm in my root. I'm in my root. My root, I carry her. Eba no kita. My root, I carry her. Eba no. Weba am in extended family. Naked Russia. Good. What a good. We are not do good. Good morning. Nwekwana onye nọ n'ime ebe a onye ọ na-apụsị oge ọ gwara eziokwu mmecha mma gafeta ebe a sị mma gafeta ebe a na-emecha ịghọtana my root akarịghị ebe a nnọ kịta akarịghị ebe a nnọ. Maazị Ugwueze, good morning sir. Ọ dị mma, ana m abịa, o nwere ife nji n'aka mmechie ka m gbadata. My root akarịghị ebe a nnọ kịta. Go and look for your root. Ebe a ka ekwugo nya before si na ebe a you know my grandfather dị mbụ at the center of ebe a you know Michael Dikedo. Ịghọtago ebe a nkwụ kịta ka you know Michael Dikekwu. Ịghọtago ka olu dị ọkpale nke ahụ first dị ọkpale. Ịghọtago rufu eni na afụdụ buru ibu ebe eni wụrụ second dị ọkpala. Ịghọtago ka ahụ first dị ọkpala onye nke awụrụ dị ọkpala nke second wife. Ọ karịghị ebe a. So ọ bụrụ na ị na n'ime isiri ụzọ tube nna ya ije jụọ ndị mmadụ akọwalụ mụnwa m ụzọ be nna m ana m eje at will nlaghachi ụla teta decide ya ịga na my root. I will go straight there. Mmadụ anyị akụziri nya akụziri. Ịghọtago ebe n'iwu onye nke n'iwu kịta dị ọkpara n'afọ nne my dad, onye nke atọrọ mmadụ wee tọ my dad, onye nke ngosiri gị une. Ịghọtago nye atọrọ mmadụ wee tọ my dad. So ọ bụrụ na ịmaghị ụzọ ruutu ije chọwa ruutu. If you don't know the way to your root, go and keep asking people. For me, I know. And I'm abịa ebe at will. Nla nkata ụla ebe ọ na man on beside ya area here. I will fly and come there. You got to go. I will fly and come here. Ka obere nwa Michael Dike. Obere nwa Michael Dike. Bede obere nwa Michael Dike. You got to go. Only ụmụnne nna uche ka kọwalụ. Only even my papa tell me say I come from Imo State, or my mama tell me say I come from Anambra. You got to go. Cheka hagwara. You got to go. Onye nke atọ my dad, the same father, the same mother. Onya ka enire ebe a, ụnụ ma mgbe kwalụ, ụmụ ma mgbe me be bury ya. You got to go. Na-echazie compound a sị na Jizọs ya ha adụ ndụ n'ime ezinụlọ a. Ịma nọ ngụ mgbe ife ị na-achọ. Onya ka nji sị if you want to go back to root ọzọ ma amahọ, go back to root ọzọ ma amahọ. For me and my family, look at it. For me and my family, you got to go. For me and my family, we are comfortable. We are comfortable. You got to go. For me and my family, we are comfortable nearby. You got to go. We are comfortable nearby. Only fly by get on. Away for you. Away for you. Get on safe. Get on safe with ministry. For ya. When you get on never when you tell them direct, the same father, the same mother, when ministry. Chalk and move from Montana. 2024 is my year of laughter and evidence. I am a covenant child. Therefore, the enemy cannot stop my shine. If we Job 8 verse 21, Psalm 13 verse 11, Sister Da Okeke, preaching prophetess, chief servant, triumphant evangelical city of God. Education of solution. If we Onya Keta, Wonye Tolum, the same father, the same mother. Tell me what I am doing that is different from what my family has been doing. Tell me. Nama Ife Neme. Nama Neme Ife do different from Ife family I name. Tell me. Nyakwa to Kweba. Nekwa here. Nyakwa Nefa. Ka was Evangelist Ebuka Obi. Onye nka my own sister. Onye Tolomo. The same father, the same mother. So believe was a shallow. So even if I cannot put Ebuka Obi sticker on my motor, I can put this one on motor on Nanya. Yes. So keri fe wahala keta. Keri fe so. Keri fe so. Biko no kam je kwato je me ife kwata mo nnewu ya biko. Nje me ife kwata mo nnewu ya biko. Kaija akwamozu. Kaija akwamozu. Talụnụ. Ndị ezigbo mmadụ na-eso anyị na peji ya. Chineke ya da agọzi unu maka ụnụ nwa merụ na ife a na-eme na ọ na-aba. Ụnụ nwa merụ na ife niile a na-eme na ọ na-aba. Hapụzienụ ndị amaghị ụzọ. Ndị my mama tell me say I come from Enugu State. My mama tell me say I come from Imo State. My mama tell me say I come from Ebonyi State, but we have not been there. Ụfọdụ n'ime unu wunde ya dey okwu that route. But people like us, we know where we come from. You got to go? We know where we come from. I am a foundation, HUMY, and we still maintain. I cannot receive at that foundation. So I'm going to go on your own pocket. Maybe you should help to make her popular. If you can send dialogue after, I can go this sticker post on my Facebook page. Keta, kono me ye kodo popular. Kambia keta, come go this sticker keta post to ye na my page. Jema na ministry yourself. Boy video tiye na page. Kono me ye kodo popular. Yes, because na something they make what here. Oh yeah, carry Jema gwa na mo well first hand of miracles and testimony. Have you seen it now? So most of you people will make her popular. Ono ye men them madam malonyo or kono wa ye me. Ono wa claim ono na like if on ye me you popular. I trust you people. Yeah, skills unu jeme na de among kono si me for na work. We see from level 5. Puniye mmadụ level 1000. Eku ebulu. So cancel everything about information here. Cancel it alone. Kono bido n'ọlụ n'oge adọrọ. There is no time. Bido n'ọlụ n'oge adọrọ buru. Bido n'ọlụ n'oge adọrọ. Bido n'ọlụ n'oge adọrọ. Musolonu. We will make her popular if she is fake like it. Yes, all fake all good. You don't need to all fake all. I am confirming to you, Kita, I'm not fake all because I'm a yodo. mee ka enu na ya ka ọ dị popular ka Ebuka Obi n'onunu ka ife ha dụ n'iro bata be m ana m ayọ n'ụlọ ayọ gụrụ unu melu m nke a onwebụghị ife unu emecha n'alụ m ife niile unu ya emelu m n'ụwa ọ bụrụ na imelu m this one ọnwụ na unu mmeni elu m ka ọ do as popular as Evangelist Ebuka Obi mana unu eme n'alụ m ife niile unu ya emelu m n'ụwa ịmakwa ife ọwụ na-edu close to Ebuka Obi o wee wuruzie na-enwe nwanne Ebuka Obi imagine nọ ngo kịta wo injinia Chibuike kịta ịmaghị ma ọ na-enwe nwanne Ebuka Obi nke nwaanyị ịmakwa ife iwu so melu m nume ife a ka ọ dị possible ịghọtago melu nume ife a ka ọ dị possible and I will appreciate you people melu nume ife a ka ọ dị possible I will appreciate you people ịghọtana mme postie mme ewuru stika eti Jerry na video ministry eti ka unu mee ka ọ dị popular mee ka ọ dị popular I will appreciate you people ịghọtago mme thank you on her behalf ha ekwe ka ọ wụrụ ada ekwe ka ọ wụrụ ha ebu igba na-eti ọnụ ịghọtago ha ebu igba na-eti ọnụ ife na-adọka ego ụwụ original receipt I have testimonies around us. We have seen it. Who haven't seen testimonies? We have seen example of prophecies around us. Abroad nke Ebuka Obi buru. Kelifo na agbagazi. What is the challenge now? Ka nje akwamozu biko ka nje akwamozu dapụ ozugbo ka ife si other things to do lie. I actually came here for something. So let me face what I've come here for now. I will talk to you people later. Ndị ọma nji aba daalụnụ ụmụ Africa.